Today we'll dive into the strategy for finding and trading profitable meme coins on the TRON network. TRON's meme coins are gaining traction due to increasing liquidity and the development of new trading apps. As a newer blockchain, TRON offers early mover advantages. Meme coins here are less diluted compared to others, like Solana, making it a prime area for discovery. Start by exploring SunPump, where meme coins are created and traded before hitting SunSwap. Look for coins in their early stages with a market cap around 70k to 80k. Coins that have completed their initial bonding curve and retest this price level often present good entry points. Coins holding support levels around 70k to 80k are more promising for profitable trades. Utilize platforms like DEX tools to track performance and observe price trends. Telegram boards can provide insights into supply and holder distribution. Check social media platforms like Twitter for community interest. An active community often signals potential growth. When you're ready to trade, use platforms like AlphaDex for smooth transactions and low fees. Plan your trades carefully, set stop losses to manage risks, and aim for realistic profit targets, focusing on market caps around 240 to 480k. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.